We have previously built different kinds of blast systems used to clean, deburr and harden gear wheels at the ZF company in Friedrichshafen. Today, we have the opportunity to view the test run of a direct suction blast system with an automatic indexing table at our own plant. Scale and burrs are removed from these workpieces using a direct suction blast system with an automatic indexing table and satellite turntables. The workpieces are placed on the external satellite stations and then advance in a clockwise direction by one position on the indexing table. When loading is performed manually, the workpieces are advanced using a two-hand control device. At the customer's plant, a handling device will perform this task. The satellite tables accept workpieces with a diameter up to 200 mm and a weight of up to 20 kilograms. Once the workpiece is in position, the blast process for the two direct suction blast nozzles is started. This function can only be initiated if a safety circuit determines that all doors are closed. The vertical oscillation of the nozzles is accomplished using a roof-mounted servo drive that drives a lance along a linear guide. The upper and lower limits of this motion were entered into the part-specific control system. The lifting speed can also be pre-selected. The speed is adjustable between 10 and 70 revolutions per minute. An S7 SPS control system and an OP77A operating panel were installed in the control cabinet. The password-controlled system allows changes to be made in parameters such as the RPM rate of the satellite stations, the blasting time, motions of the nozzles, and the number of strokes. 3 satellite stations are positioned on the indexing table. These have permanently installed walls with multiple rubber seals that separate and seal off the 3 work positions. In the front area, workpieces can be loaded and unloaded at the same time as blasting takes place. When blasting is done, the indexing table advances by one position. This moves the blasted workpiece into the blow-off position, where compressed air is used to blow off the workpieces. Again, this blow-off process takes place at the same time as blasting and loading and unloading are underway at the other positions. All of the interior walls and doors have an anti-wear lining made of rubber. Areas subjected to particularly heavy wear are also equipped with rubber skirts. The cabin has windows and interior lighting to facilitate control and observation of the blasting process. The rotation of the satellites on the indexing table is accomplished using a belt pulley with dust-tight bearings. A negative pressure system extracts the dust-laden air from the cabin. Fine dust is removed in the filter unit mounted on the side. The cartridges themselves are cleaned using cleaning impulses whose predefined intervals determine the time and intensity with which the filter elements are cleaned, so that the unit can be adjusted on a case-by-case basis to the blasting conditions and dust load. A rotary valve discharges the dust into a waste collection sack. The mixture of abrasive and dust collected in the cabin's hopper is fed to a cyclone separator that separates the abrasive and dust. A filter screen located underneath removes burrs and other large residue. The main components of this compact blasting unit are the blasting cabin, the indexing table with satellite stations, the pneumatic transport system, the direct suction blasting nozzles, and the filter unit. These tried and tested components work together to ensure the high availability of the blasting result. SLF, your partner for blasting, coating, and conveying systems.